Good morning from Midland, Texas. Last night we stayed at this petroleum museum. It was nice, quiet. Look, we had the whole parking lot to ourselves. Day number 11 of RC's on the 50-state road trip. Let's go, baby. Yeah. We're at the park.
I will play?
Yeah, you guys could play.
Yes!
Welcome to Dennis the Menace Park here at Midland, Texas. They got 4 players and it's all free. And on top of that, they got splash pad. It's also free. They're open 6 to 10 p.m. I think that's something I saw on the website. They're only closed on Thursday, 7 a.m. to 10 a.m. for the park maintenance. Come in here, check it out.
This play yard is like a baseball themed play yard. Pretty cool. You fun? Have you ever watched Dennis the Menace?
Yeah,
Who's the next door neighbor?
I forgot.
She's not a true Dennis the Menace fan. Everybody knows it's Mr. Wilson.
The chicken is good.
Walmart and Vanlife go hand in hand. It's like we go to Walmart every other day.
Well, we just make sure that we get what could fit in our fridge too.
Yeah, you can't go to Walmart and have a shopping cart. You gotta have like the basket. You can't. You don't have room for anything. We just made it to Big Springs State Park here in Big Springs, and look at this view.
I'm cooking chicken tinola. It's a $3 chicken.
Will I share those? Oh, yeah.
How's the food, Joshi? How's the food, Jazzy?
Good.
How's the food, Jacob?
Amazing.
Okay, you get internet.
Amazing.
We just had a lovely lunch thanks to rain. Now it's off to the Harvest Host. We're going to Hangar 25. Check it out, guys. This is our home for the night. Hangar 25.
Come on in. We had the Army Air Corps set up a training school on site, and what they trained here for was to be bombardiers during World War II. So the young men that would come to the school to train, most of them were about 19 years old when they got here. They would only train here for 3 months. They would train 12 hours a day, 6.5 days a week. So though it was a short time, all of that time was spent on training. We also had French bombardier cadets coming over to the U.S. and training alongside with our guys. And so, as I said, it was a 3-month training program. Once they were finished with the school, they were assigned to bomb squadrons. And then from there, they were either assigned to Europe or to the Pacific, just depending on what squadron they ended up with.
I love sour candy.
Let's see what you got.
See, you've got regular.
Right outside the museum, they got an F-100, they got a Harrier, and they got a T-33. And most important, they got that gut truck. Day 11 is in the books. That's a wrap. This is where we're staying at, Hangar 25. I'll see you guys again tomorrow. Peace.